The first step to setting up your PTZ camera with Geovision is to check what COM port the Geovision net card is using. To do this, you need to load up your device manager. For this, right-click on My Computer and click on Manage. This pulls up your computer management screen. Look for Device Manager on the left-hand side, click on that, and then you need to look for Ports, COM, and LPT. Click on the little drop-down arrow, and you need to look for this right here. It's called Prolific USB to Serial COM port. If you do not see this, that means there's an issue with your net card, either that it's not powered or it's not installed correctly. What we're looking for here is the COM number. In this case, our COM number is COM6. Write that down because you will need that for a future step. Now that you know your COM port, you'll need to start up the Geovision software. Once your Geovision software is finished loading, you will need to select the PTZ protocol your PTZ cameras will be using. To do this, you need to click on the hammer screwdriver looking icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. This is the configure icon. Click on that, then you click on Accessories, PTZ Device, and then Add Remove PTZ. The PTZ configuration window lists all the protocols installed on this Geovision machine. The camera we're testing today is a Pelco D protocol. To select this protocol, you need to find it on the list to the left and move it over to the list on the right by clicking these arrows. Once you have it on the right hand side, we need to click OK, and then we need to restart the Geovision software. Now that you've selected the correct PTZ protocol for the camera you're using, you need to finish setting up the camera settings. To do this again, you need to go down to the configure icon, then Accessories, then PTZ Device, and then PTZ Device Setup. In this screen, you need to click on the little checkbox here for PTZ Device Setup, ensure you have the correct protocol selected, and then click on the icon here. This brings you up the COM port settings. First thing you need to do is click on Active and then select the correct COM port. Earlier in the tutorial we determined we're using COM port 6. So we need to find COM port 6 in the list and select it. Everything else is default and you can click OK. Once you're done with this, click OK again and you'll notice the PTZ device icon loads up on the right hand side. Now to test the PTZ camera we just set up, we need to click on the icon here for the control panel. This panel will come up on the left hand side and you can move this anywhere you like. Select the camera you're using, that is a PTZ, and then you can control this camera by the icon on the right, moving it left, right, up or down. If you have movement on this, you have set up your PTZ device correctly.